are stuck down. This comes off. 4 screws here. One. Up there. 2. And 4 up there. Now, that's it, it's out now. This G above middle C is faulty. That's how you get it out. Squeeze that together. Now here's the spring that does all the damage to the plastic. The spring cuts a notch in here. I've already glued this one and it's failed. I'm reinstalling this G key. Spring goes in like that. Slide underneath. There. Okay, unfortunately this key, the plastic has snapped when I've tried to take it out. You can see that there, it's broken. It could be hard to get out. Another fault.